Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm John Powell, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. Today, I'm going to take you on a short walkthrough of our 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX. And if you're familiar with the 21 SPX, you'll recognize that this boat is a complete redesign from 2023 and older. Some of the features that we'll point out along the way is the new curved windshield, the walkthrough being now on the driver's side for easier access. There's a different pad design in the back, flip-flop seat, pull-out bench seat that you can do, among some of the changes. So it's a very, very cool boat, new from the ground up for 2024. You're going to love it if you come out and see it. So let's take a look at some of the features. All right, here on this very big rear swim platform, we got everybody's favorite feature, the flip-over swim step. Now this boat does come as an outboard as well, in which case you would lose this feature, but this is everybody's favorite because it just sits down in the water. It'll sit there and float. There's a safety cut out too, so that if this is open, the engines don't run. So it's a really great spot, super sturdy, that you can get in and out. Plus the ladder, of course, which is right behind me under this hatch. There's another full-out ladder. But the best feature of this is it lets you either sit in the water. Older folks, younger folks can get in and out more easily, or if you take your dog boating with you, the dog can get in and out a little bit more easier. Absolutely great feature that you're going to love having on here. As we move forward in the boat, a huge sun pad, perfect for laying out on those sunny days, get that tan going, or just sit back, hang out, watch the kids in the water, whatever it is you want to do. Okay. You've got storage in the walkway as we move into the boat. Storage in the walkway under here, that's also where your battery switches are. This boat does have a 2-battery setup, which is perfect for those long days out on the water. You can just run the stereo and then have another battery to come home on. More storage in the walkway. If you notice above me, I am 6'1", and I still have 3 inches of clearance underneath the bimini, so plenty of space, massive amount of shade. This is roughly 6.5 feet or so of shade in the boat, and if you wanted full sun, you can close the whole thing up, put it all in a boot, and have all the sunlight that you might wish. Let's move a little further into the boat. If you look around, you'll see that there's tons of seating. Now this boat has a capacity of 12 people. There is a weight limit, of course, so but 12 folks can be on here, and honestly, you could take a full group of 8, 2 couples, 2 kids each, and still have plenty of room to move around. It's fantastic. There's seating here with storage below. Big bench along the back. This is a flex seat, so you can take it out if you want to. It'll come out. And this is a flip-flop seat. Either you can have the full rear lounger or your co-captain's chair. Lots of space. The captain's seat has a flip-up bolster. Lets you get your head up above the windshield. This is that new curved windshield that we were talking about. Look at how beautiful this is. Super sturdy. I could actually do a handstand on this. I'm not gonna because I'll fall over, but this is super strong. Absolutely no rattles, shakes. It's all the best Sea Ray quality that you're used to. This boat's equipped with the Simrad electronic dash. Has navigation, of course, which is what's on here as well. You can split this up and show your instruments or just have the instruments. There's many multiple displays, and it is expandable. If you ever wanted to add additional accessories of the electronic nature, you can put them in there. All your toggle switches are right here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. You've also got a handy USB port, and your Fusion stereo, of course, which is Bluetooth capable, XM capable, whatever you want to do. You can certainly play your tunes however you choose. Moving up toward the bow, big, huge storage area. You can cram everything in the world that you want in there, as well as there's a great big one in the floor for your ski locker. You can see it down here. Gives you a quick flip up on that. Huge amount of space. It's super deep, so you can put everything you could possibly want to take boating with you. Sea Ray is great about giving you somewhere to put all of your stuff. Now you might think, 21 SPX, is there enough space in the bow? Again, using myself as a measuring tool, I'm 6'1", and I can sit comfortably up here, fully on one side, barely touching the front. There could be another 6-foot+ person here, third person in the middle, And there's an optional bow filler cushion, which I believe this particular boat does have, which sits in right here and makes this whole thing a really nice sun pad that you can use for your day on the water. Last but not least, you've got an anchor locker up front. So you have somewhere to put the anchor, and it's not up underfoot or under your storage. Storage under everything, of course. Lots and lots of space in the whole boat. No reason at all to have any of your gear out in here with you. Well, folks, this was quick, but I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Hope you'll come out to MarineMax, let us show you the boat in person, and maybe even take you out on a demo drive. You'll really see how it shines out on the water. Again, you can reach us at 770-781-9370 here at MarineMax Cumming. We hope you have a great day on the water. Thank you.